Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and going straight to Display, then Navigation bar. This is where you control buttons versus gestures. Once there, make sure your Infinix runs a compatible XOS build. Incompatible versions hide features. Grant any permission prompts immediately, because without them you cannot change behavior. Now select the default mode, buttons or gestures, and tap the active option. This first action unlocks the customization menu. After that, we move to ordering, layout, and visual tweaks. Once you pick buttons or gestures, you'll see advanced options to reorder and resize. Tap reorder to drag back, home, and recents into the layout you prefer. This changes reachability and muscle memory. Make sure to test the back orientation, left or right, immediately because it affects navigation flow. If the stock options are limited, enable the third-party toggle and install a lightweight navbar app. This gives color, transparency, and 1/2 height controls. After adjustments, preview changes to confirm behavior. To finalize, tap Apply or Save and then test home, back, and recents thoroughly. Open apps and swipe gestures to confirm responsiveness. If something behaves oddly, restart the phone first. Many UI changes need a reboot to settle. If problems persist, return to navigation settings, choose Reset, or go to App's right arrow settings Storage and Clear Cache to remove stale preferences. One key troubleshooting tip: update XOS and installed navbar apps. Mismatched versions commonly cause missing controls or failed saves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.